Ubak po lingdo Menteri ka Arts and Culture ha ka artering ulapan bana bayak museum Bakynsai bat balapan janai en Plie ba hau benai Jylliew banwan. Ulay thu ha kini ke museum lepin bit penbiang bhai barok ki jingdan kam jeng kinong wan chungok kai bat kedon ru ka library ha ka bagi ba kilak ban puli ki kot babunjat. Uloong ru ke sorkar kan satay no shen arteli ki cinema hall bathamai ban penslori kinong penmi film ha kini ke jela. Mulai turu baka sorkar kan sesandur bat penbena ba ya ka almanak tamasa barok shisnem kenang bikinong wan jungok kai perthai kentip ikita masa ban long haman ubenai hagani ke jela. Uloong ru ke sorkar kan penslori ki Samla puli bari ki ba ban puli kot ha ka baka sorkar kan penbiang de ki kali kit kot lani ki mobile library ki ban let chi ki shnong he pat shnong rit jong ki district ke jela. Ban pensting ye kejing kap ngia ulai thu bekejing penkre ban kenria ye kinong de madan sya ki jaka baka sorkar kalamang kerpang na kebenta jongki usembut menteri rangba ubapet ye ke urban affairs un sepen bena hadin ye kejing penbet ban kenria ye kinong de madan ulaong ke sorkar kan setei ki cinema hall hajawai bat tura ban plilat ye kinong penmi film ha ka ketin khasi garu bat benar ban kiu syaprang Uloong ru kumbalong mentai ki film khasi garu bat benar lepin I perthai lingba ke over the top OTT beki briu na keling kiri ke perthai ki pet I ki.
Well, nowadays the changing scenario, we need to have more books and digitalize.
We have already received sanctions to upgrade our library, and roughly around 2 crores have been sanctioned for the upgradation of our library, State Central Library, and also to inculcate the reading habit. We are also working with an NGO under the banner of Kali KitKot, which is a vehicle that is mobile and has a library attached inside of it. Yeah.
Also, related to the theatres, the cinema hall.
We undertaken 3 visits to the site because we'd like to pay more attention to all details, making it PWD friendly is a priority which we have achieved. Giving it the look, there will be various features including one particular area which will be dedicated to kids. There will be a cafe, there will be a house constructed in the Shillong style, meaning the old Assam type house. So these various activities involve a lot of aesthetic value to be added to them, and therefore it took a lot of time. But as I said, we are nearing completion, and by June this year, we should be able to make it functional.
Related, so the quality of movies to attract, you may build constructions and buildings, you may go for, but don't you think that there's need to have quality movies, and so that what is it lacking? What is the reasons? What are the reasons?
I'll share this with you that Meghalaya is the only state which has a government-sponsored OTT platform. No other state government has done it. And the OTT platform named O Meghalaya has become very popular, and today it has a global audience. All movies made in Khasi and in Garu are screened, songs, music videos are on display, and therefore it's a major initiative that the state government has taken up to support the artistic and musical fraternity.
Will you be initiating a state award for movies every year to encourage the film fraternity?
Yes, We are considering this very seriously, and once a cabinet draft memo is ready, we will take it up with the cabinet. Envision a plan of setting up more cinema halls across the state, beginning with halls belonging to the Department of Arts and Culture at Jawai and Tura within the current fiscal year. And the other state district headquarters will be covered subsequently. The department is also moving ahead with the resumption of land belonging to the Department of Arts and Culture at the Tribal Research Institute, Meghalaya, and plans are afoot to complete the shifting of the CRPF camp to New Shillong, and this will happen hopefully by year end. The Tagore Museum I'm happy to inform you that work has now been handed over to the MTDC, and the museum will be constructed at a cost of around 14 crore rupees, and already work has been allotted to Bakynsai to undertake this particular work. So these are major developments taking place in the two departments.
Police Bazaar. So it's almost nearing to exactly in the road itself. Like, there's been a lot of encroachment, or hawkers are just going like way whatever the activities. At the moment, what's the status of the government? Where are you at? Because last time there was a lot of development when in terms of relocating them. So where are we at right now?
All works pertaining to the construction of the vending zones has been completed. All work has been completed. The identification of the vendors has already been completed, and since the matter belongs to the Department of Urban Affairs, probably the Deputy CM in charge of Urban Affairs should be able to give you the clear timelines. But information that I have received is that the construction of the vending zones is complete. I've taken up the matter with the SMB officials last month, and we should be able to see, beginning with Khandailan, we have always been harping on making the area a pedestrian zone, pedestrianization of that zone, so that will be completed. But the definite timeline can be given by Deputy CM in charge of Urban Affairs.
How many vending zone and this
We are looking at about 200 vendors being relocated.
and what are the what kind of zone?
All, I mean, it's a properly constructed zone which has provisions of water, toilet facilities, and electricity. I think you should visit the site for yourself. Department, I took a review meeting yesterday, and it is with great elation that I would like to share with you that a state-of-the-art museum at the library auditorium complex will be inaugurated in the month of June this year, and I call it state of the art because we use the latest technology, and a visit to this museum would help for visitors and people of Meghalaya to unravel the mystique, the beauty, the history, the culture, the various trades, life of people in the villages, all are being displayed at this museum, which will be functional by June this year. In order to cater to the needs of the public, especially to cater to the local film industry, we are entering into an agreement whereby two more cinema halls in the state capital we will commence work soon. One, of course, is already ready, which is which is called the Black Box, located at Larity Complex, New Shillong, and the other will be at the library auditorium. Once this project begins, the library auditorium will be shifted to the current site located at Relbong, which when the state assembly is shifted by hopefully by September or October this year, we should be able to shift the auditorium to Brookside, which is under the custody of the Department of Arts and Culture.